Hey everyone, and today we have this very tricky math question. You have only 10 seconds to solve this and watch full videos to get this step-by-step solution. Your time start now. Okay, time's up. We have 250 divided by 5 parentheses 5 plus 5 parentheses times 5. So this is our question. So we will follow here order of operations. That is PEMDAS here. First preference will be given to this parenthesis part, which is 5 plus 5 will give result 10 here. So we can simply write 250 divided by 5. We can simply write like 10 times 10 times 5. So this is the value. Now, if you are thinking like 5 times 10, that is 50, and 50 times 5 will give result 250, and then 250 divided by 250 will give result here 1. Then you are wrong. This is not the right way. Okay, let's erase. So how to solve this correctly? I will explain here. Okay, so here, as we know, multiplication and division, all operations are multiplication division, and if there are multiplication and division only, then we have to solve left to right here for their order of operation. And according to that, first we have to solve this division part, which is 250 divided by 5 will give result 58. So we can write 50 for this place. Now we will repeat that 10 times 5, and 50 times 10 will give result 500 times 5, and then 500 times 5 will give result 25, which is the right answer. And moving to this next question, we have 25 divided by 5 times 5 minus 1 square plus 3. So again, same, we will follow the question. So here, this is parenthesis part, but we can simply write 25 divided by 5 times 5 minus 1 square, next exponent, and minus 1 square is also 1 here, plus 3. Why we are not writing plus 1? Because this is not, this is like that. This is not the value of minus 1 to the rise square. So we can't write like minus 1 and we will put the value 1. We will simply put 1 here. Okay, now again left to right there, 25 divided by 5 will give result 5 here. So we will write 5 times 5 minus 1 plus 3. 5 times 5 will give result 25 here, minus 1 plus 3. And we'll do again left to right, 25 minus 3 will give result, yeah, 24 plus 3, which ultimately gives 27 as the right answer. And watch these videos if you found this helpful and entertaining, then like this video and subscribe us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.